what I was surprised by just a moment ago when I said, wow, you know what it was?
What?
I feel my second poop coming on.
Juice!
Today we have
That's it. There's no welcome back to our stupid reactions.
Welcome back. Your dreams were your ticket out. But now you're here. You're trapped forever with endless mom jokes.
How about you? Do you poop at the same time every day? Not when you're fasting. Have you ever fasted, and how long was your longest fast if you have?
No, I haven't, because why would I do that?
Yeah, I fasted for 3 days once. One of the interesting things that happens when you fast, you stop pooping.
How fast do you stop pooping?
Within 36 hours.
Oh, boy.
Because you obviously have the food from the day before. But by the time you hit the middle of day 2, nada.
Nada?
Yeah. Which is especially, I mean, some people don't poop. I know people who, they poop every 2 or 3 days. Every day, folks. Sometimes twice. My buddy Rich and I talk about it all the time. How many times? What's the most amount of times you've pooped in a day, Corbin? I know you love talking about this.
Sometimes.
When you aren't sick, that doesn't count. Because then your system's all messed up. I think the most I've ever pooped in one day is 4 times.
Today.
Valerie refused to poop when we went to Papua New Guinea and we were with the Hula tribe for 3 days. She would not poop. She held her poop for 3 days.
Today we have a roast of Anil Kapoor and Anurag Kashyap.
Nice. AK versus AK.
Apparently they did this as a promo.
For AK versus AK?
For AK versus AK. They did a roast. Tommy Bott is back and doing
awesome.
Just like, if you haven't seen our reaction to the Ranveer and
way back.
What's his name?
Yeah. It was hosted by Karan Johar.
He wasn't there. I don't know. Tommy Bott's the host.
Oh, but Karan was there.
Yeah, he was there.
But yeah, it was a legit. I wish they did. Roasts were, when I was a kid, it was a once or twice a year thing. It was almost like Kennedy honors. You would do a roast of somebody, and all of the big celebrities would be out, and you would just make fun of them. They still do them from time to time, but not like they did back in the day.
Because you need to have thick skin.
Yeah,
you need to be okay with
that's so good.
People literally, which is why it was funny that Tom Brady did it, and he doesn't have thick skin.
Yeah.
At least not in the way that you need to for a roast.
No.
But anyways, so
Awesome.
This will be another roast.
I hope we get these.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah. All right, so there's going to be a laugh track.
Hello and welcome to this very special video. Tonight we're honoring the 2 AKs, both incredibly talented artists who have contributed immensely to the Indian film industry. Unfortunately, Akshay Kumar and Amir Khan couldn't join us here today, so we're stuck with these 2 guys. At the very start, I want to address that Netflix has gone out of their way to edit out our funniest jokes, which is typical of Netflix India. Netflix has milked me so much for content that today I want to do the same, which is why while this video is releasing, all the edited jokes are on my vlog. Please go to my YouTube channel right now. Leave this video. Fuck that shit. All right, so let's meet all our participants for tonight, shall we? First up, we have Prashasti Singh. Woo! Prashasti, seeing you here today on this dais with such famous celebrities, your fan must be going crazy. Hi, auntie. Up next, we also have with us my girlfriend, Samay Raina. Sorry, they both blow me so often, I keep confusing them. Please give it up for Samay Raina. Our next comedian, what do I even say about her? She's very funny. She's one of the biggest and brightest content creators on Instagram. Please give it up for Kusha Dolly Singh. Dolly Singh, yes. After 3 comedians, it's time for the next person. Give it up for Ashish Shakya. You know, people used to often ask me, how come Ashish is in AIB? He's so unfunny and talentless. Moving on, our men for the evening. Please give it up for the very awesome Anurag Kashyap and Anil Kapoor.
A toast and a future ghost.
you feeling, Anil sir? You feeling good?
अरे जो भी है अपना देखो भैया, हम लोग पक चुके हैं एक दूसरे की बुराई करके, तो इस बार हम लोग सब पॉजिटिव बात करें। आप लोगों को जो करना है करो। क्या नाम है आपका? डॉली, करेक्ट?
फर्क नहीं पड़ता सर।
हाँ जो भी है, आपका नाम दड़ियल। अच्छा, आप लोगों को जो बुराई करनी है करो, जितना आपको बजाना बजाओ आज आपकी, पर हम लोग एक दूसरे की बुराई नहीं करेंगे। करेक्ट है ना? मैं तो बिल्कुल नहीं कर रहा हूँ, ठीक है ना? और तेरा इंट्रोडक्शन अच्छा था, अच्छा गया, 3-4 रिटेक दिया तूने। Now can we go and sit?
Yes, please do. Let me tell you guys about the rules really quickly. I am your roast master for this roast. अनिल कपूर की टीम में है समय रैना और डॉली सिंह। अनुराग की टीम में है आशीष, प्रशस्ति और उसकी मायूसी। हर राउंड में एक मेंबर आएगा और ऑपोजिट टीम को रोस्ट करेगा। Let's begin. Going up first is Prashasti Singh, ladies and gentlemen. Woo! Prashasti, you're like the first draft of a Dolly Singh sketch. If young girls were aunties. Prashasti is so desperate to get married, वो one night stand पे मेहंदी लगा के जाती है और सेक्स के बाद लड़के का चड्डी को फोल्ड करके कबर्ड में रख के निकल जाती है। Prashasti, you are so auntie. Her last Google search was Anil Kapoor hot scene Pukar. Prashasti is so North Indian, she doesn't spit or swallow. She just... Without any further ado, please give it up for the very funny Prashasti Singh!
That was good.
Dolly, you have to really do well today.
थैंक यू अनिल जी।
खुल के बुराई करना।
बिल्कुल कोशिश करूंगी। थैंक यू तन्मय फॉर दैट इंट्रोडक्शन। अगर आपकी स्ट्रीम होती तो मैं बोलती तन्मय ओपी इन द चैट, पर रियल लाइफ में ऐसे भीख मांगने से इज्जत नहीं मिलती। Guys, don't you guys miss when Tanmay used to be a political comedian? Because now he's just making money out of children. So, Exhibit A, समय रहना। ये समय नाम का जहरीला बीज जो है वो तन्मय ने ही बोया है। समय फैंस आर एक्चुअली तन्मय फैंस हु आर एक्चुअली फीटसेस। समय को देख के मुझे लगता है कि लोगों को जन्म के पहले महीने से ही थेरेपी कर लेनी चाहिए। इसको टॉलरेट करना इतना मुश्किल है कि इसके माँ बाप ने इसका नाम इसीलिए समय रखा, टू रिमाइंड देमसेल्व्स कि इट विल पास इवेंचुअली। Every time I see a young girl crushing over समय, तो मेरे अंदर का फेमिनिज्म थोड़ा सा मर जाता है guys. Feminism is a great segue to our next guest, Dolly Singh. Yeah?
अच्छा ये डॉली है।
जी सर, so Dolly is here because at least one Kusha, one Prajakta and two Malika said no. Dolly's career can be summarized in one line. आज किसका replacement करना है? Also guys, let me clarify. Dolly and Kusha are not related. Okay, not related at all to comedy. Dolly जब भी स्विमिंग करने जाती हैं तो डूब जाती हैं क्योंकि एज एन इन्फ्लुएंसर उन्हें डेप्थ का कॉन्सेप्ट ही ग्रास्प नहीं होता।
That was good.
Lastly, Dolly, I know you have a long career ahead of you. क्योंकि टैलेंट की तो एक्सपायरी होती है, पर टैलेंटलेसनेस की कोई एक्सपायरी नहीं होती।
Nice.
फाइनली वी कम टू अनिल जी। सर नमस्ते।
मैंने तो आपको बोला है खुल के, और अगर आज आपने अच्छी बुराई नहीं की,
जी।
I'll be very upset.
ओके सर, ऑफलाइन ये बोलना चाहती हूँ कि आपके घर से मेरे 2 इनवॉइसेस क्लियर होते हैं। भूल चूक माफ कीजिएगा, आगे बढ़ते हैं। I have to start with Mr. India, my favorite movie.
Yes.
Anil ji did a great job as a voiceover artist in that movie. Sir was so impressive in that movie कि हॉलीवुड वालों ने आके इनको सेम रोल मिशन इम्पॉसिबल में दे दिया। और वहाँ पे सबसे मेमोरेबल रोल में लोग आपके गायब होने पे सीटियां बजाते हों, तो थोड़ा अटेंशन प्रॉब्लम तो लाजमी है सर। सर इज सच एन अटेंशन सीकर कि किसी का भी बर्थडे हो लपक के कैंडल ये फूंक देते हैं।
ये सही है, ये सही है।
सर को इतना अटेंशन चाहिए कि अपने सीन की शूटिंग में चुपके से जाके कैमरा जूम इन करके चले आते हैं।
अरे जूम इन नहीं, मैं अपना फोकस मिरर साथ में लेके घूमता हूं।
सर सच है स्पोर्ट्स। यहाँ भी अटेंशन नहीं ले रही है। Every time in a party, a bartender says rum, ये rum pum 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 करना शुरू करते हैं। Sir is so obsessed with his looks कि ये मास्क के ऊपर भी अपने जॉ का फोटो चिपका के बाहर निकलते हैं। एक सर का चार्म इस बात में है कि वो कितनी भी कोशिश कर लें, हाँ, इनके अंदर का मिडिल क्लास अंकल छिपता ही नहीं है। एक ही सारे 100 अंकल की शूट में हर 2 घंटे पे जाके एसी बंद कराते हैं और कहते हैं बिजली का बिल बाप भर रहा है क्या? नॉनसेंस। एक ही 100 अंकल कि बिजनेस क्लास में जो एक्स्ट्रा खाना बच जाता है ना, वो रुमाल में बच्चों के लिए बांध के ले आते हैं। सर रियली लिव्स बाय हिज वर्ड्स। इन्होंने सालों साल मेहनत करके अपना करियर 1 2 का 4 किया और अब मलंग, पागलपंती और AK वर्सेस AK करके वो अपना करियर 4 2 का 1 कर रहे हैं। थैंक यू सर। थैंक यू एवरीवन।
All right, guys, give it up for Prashasti Singh. Yes.
Oh, shush. They only go
Our
after
next comedian
Right.
is the very funny Mr. Samay Raina. A lot of you don't know, but Samay is a printing engineer.
That's right.
इसलिए आकाश गुप्ता का स्टाइल छापता है. This is a true fact. India's #2 chess player, Vidit Gujrati, after streaming with Samay, has become India's #3 chess player. इसी तरह चला तो 2 साल में विश्वनाथ आनंद लूडो खेलना शुरू करेगा. Samay, why do you go on Omegle and ask people to play chess with you? That's like going to a brothel and saying, किसको trigonometry आता है क्या यहाँ पे? Can you help? Whenever I play PUBG with Samay on my stream, it reminds me of Anurag's movies. क्योंकि मेरे स्ट्रीम पे भी 3 गोलियों के बीच में 2 भोसड़ी के छिपे रहते हैं. So please put your hands together for Vishwanathan Anand's Horcrux, Samay Raina.
Guys, before signing up the contract for this show, I asked
Great
Netflix
shirt.
कि इस रोस्ट में गाली दे सकते हैं क्या? And they said, अनुराग कश्यप का रोस्ट है बहन के लोड़े. You know, Anurag Kashyap's Twitter bio says that he is neither left nor right nor center. That's exactly where I would like to sit in Prashasthi's show. Prashasthi can now call low ticket sales socially distanced seating. Thank you, COVID-19. Prashasthi spent the first 15 years of her life in her hometown, the next 15 in Hyderabad, then the next 15 in Delhi, then the next 15 in Mumbai. खैर ये तो बहुत पुरानी बात है. अभी पिछले 20 साल से प्रशस्ति मुंबई में रह रही है. प्रशस्ति का मटेरियल सुन के the first thing that comes to my mind is MILF. Material I would like to forget. As many few people know this, कि Tanmay had actually asked me to start streaming back in March, saying that he knows the country is going to be in a lockdown. And he knew that not because he has some contacts in the government or anything, but because Prashasti had announced her All India tour. Love you, Prashasti. Ashish bhai is here. Ashish man, I tried really hard to write a joke on you. पर आपने कुछ किया ही नहीं है यार. मतलब look at this. Okay Google, tell me one interesting thing about Ashish Shakia.
Who the fuck is Ashish Shah?
First, I thought I'll run down these jokes by Ashish Shakia to make sure he doesn't feel bad about them, but I didn't have his number, so I had to call him on Urban Clap. Tanmay is here. Tanmay has made one of the biggest comebacks ever. He has come back from making quality sketches to asking 12-year-olds for super chat. What a comeback, man. I hope your parents are proud. Yeah, enough jokes. Here's a trick for you. Pick a card. The victim card again, man. Come on. As you all know, guys, Tanmay lives in a big apartment in a tall building, but he often comes out to the balcony to give shade to the people living below. He was in the balcony shooting a vlog. They thought it was a solar eclipse. Anurag is here, guys. Anurag likes to make movies about the true India, the true, real India. So how is your Andheri West House going, Anurag? Sab changa si? Anurag and Anil, they've been having this fake beef to promote their upcoming movie. The last time I saw such fake beef, I ordered a burger in this venue. Anurag in Sanskrit means devoted. Prashasti in Hindi means Kanij budget ke bahar thi. Anurag's debut movie was called Panch. That's exactly how many people watched that piece of shit. Early in his career, Anurag had written a movie called Paisa Vasool. Well, Anurag, not for the producers. Lastly, I am a Kashmiri, yet Anurag is the worst AK I have ever seen. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much.
Once again, guys, give it up for Samay Raina. Yes! All right, guys. Up next is a surprise roaster. Because is it possible for Netflix to do something without having Radhika Apte be mediocre in it? The answer is no. So give it up for Radhika Apte!
you guys really thought that you'd do something with Netflix and Anurag Kashyap and not have Radhika Apte in it. But anyway, but after seeing these comics here, I really need to have a serious chat with Netflix. Anyway, so Anil Kapoor. Anil Kapoor ji ke baare mein kya kahe? I mean, I shouldn't say much because, you know, he's a veteran, and also because I'm a huge fan of his, and I grew up watching him, and I wanted to be an actor because of him. And, you know, I was studying economics in college, and he really helped me understand economics because he's a perfect example of the law of diminishing marginal utility. Of saving and investing from Anil ji, because career के अच्छे time पे अगर पैसा नहीं बचाया तो फिर फन्ने खान और पागलपंती जैसी फिल्में करनी पड़ती हैं. Now moving on to the other AK, Anurag Kashyap. Well, this AK I can talk more freely about because Kashyap is one of my closest friends. He's my 3 a.m. friend because he's never awake at 3 p.m., which does make me wonder if I should be making new friends. I have worked a lot with Anurag Kashyap, but I only do short films with him. I never want to do a feature film with him because after all, I have to make money and pay rent. Funnily, my character died in the first season of Sacred Games, and Anurag's directing career died in the second. Anurag can feel the pulse of the audience, only when the audience is dead. Did you see his recent film, Choked? It's the only film where the title is so apt because that's exactly what the audience was feeling while watching it.
Give it up for Radhika Apte, guys. Radhika Apte, Radhika Apte.
राधिका जी, आप मेरी फिल्में देखकर इतनी बड़ी स्टार बन गई, इतनी बड़ी एक्ट्रेस बन गई, तो मैं दुनिया से माफी चाहता हूं कि क्यों इसको एक्टर बना दिया.
अरे मुझे नहीं पता राधिका आप्टे मेरा मजाक क्यों उड़ा रही है. लोगों को राधिका के बारे में इतना बताना चाहता हूँ कि शी इज द फर्स्ट पर्सन दैट आई गो टू every time I'm making a movie and everybody has said no to it. लव स्टोरीज के टाइम भी राधिका तुम्हारे पास आने से पहले सबने मना किया, मैंने खुद साड़ी पहन के ट्राई किया.
Up next is none other than the very funny Dolly Singh, guys. Dolly Singh. You guys know that Dolly recently bought a very expensive house, huh? In Kusha Kapila's shadow. This is a great example of someone who came from rags to slightly better rags. All right, guys, give it up for Dolly Singh.
Thank you, thank you. I had to look at Tanmay's face continuously for 5 minutes just to get some inspiration for the roast. God, worst 5 minutes of my life. And I've seen Anurag's movies. So, the only thing Tanmay doesn't stream are his potty sessions because वो stream पे इतना हक देता है. Sex with Tanmay must be like, you know, like a pillow fight. But इस pillow में feathers की जगह burgers हैं. So सुबह से तन्मय ने अभी तक 7 डाइट कोक पी लिए हैं. My only question is तन्मय डाइट कहाँ है? We also have Ashish Shakya, जिसका existence भी मुझे पता नहीं था. So I stalked Ashish Shakya's profile last night just to get some material for this roast. And I realized I wasn't following him. Just like every other comedy fan. Like all of us, in the lockdown, Shakya did a full deep clean of his house, huh? But he still couldn't find his sense of humor. Shakya was a mentor in this hit show called One Mic Stand. So पहले I got very confused, but then it made sense. क्योंकि कभी-कभी you need the mentor to tell you what not to do. And who better than Ashish Shakya for that? Congratulations, Shakya. So just to be nice, because he's my new friend, I signed up for Ashish Shakya's new blog called Stupidest Maximus 2.0. But you know, I was surprised. It's a fun read. So basically, his jokes are funny until they come out of his mouth.
Please subscribe.
And now we come to Prashasti. So sweet. Hi, Prashasti. So Prashasti once told me that she was a big fan of mine, and I also told her, I was like, dude, great taste. क्या करूँ मैं इतनी amazing हो तो? क्या करूँ? क्या करूँ? Prashasti is so dumb that she thought the up in Ladies Up stands for Uttar Pradesh. Prashasti and her brother now have a show of their own, which is wait, what is it called? Yeah, nobody gives a fuck. Why are you still doing this? And she does it to promote her brother. तो तुझे कौन promote करेगा यार? And now we come to the star of the show, AK. So when Netflix reached out to me, you know, you have to roast Anurag, I was like, come on, how am I going to roast someone who's so talented, so brilliant? They were like, no, अनुराग बासु नहीं, अनुराग कश्यप. I was like, हाँ, फिर ठीक है. वो तो मैं free में भी कर दूँगी. This is the first time I'm meeting Anurag, and I wish the circumstances were different. But hey, I've heard that one way to get a man's attention is by being rude to him. So, hi Anurag. KRK box office once put out a false rumor saying Anurag Kashyap is dead. I think they only meant his career. Anurag Kashyap's Bombay Velvet was so irrelevant that no one wanted to change it to Mumbai Velvet. Anurag Kashyap used to be an alcoholic, now he's an asshole. But okay, Anurag, apart from everything else, I've recently debuted in a Netflix show, Bhag Bhi Nahi Bhag, and I would love to do movies as well. So here's my resume. Can you please give it to Karan Johar?
That made Bhag Bini Bhag look great. All right, next up is Ashish Shakya. Yes. A lot of you guys know Ashish as the fourth member of AIB. Just like the media is the fourth pillar of democracy. Satire. Please give it up for the very average Ashish Shakya.
Oh, it is absolutely wonderful to be here. Please give it up for Tanmay Bhatt, pioneer of the comedy genre known as Loud. This year, Tanmay moved into a new house with his close friends. And by close friends, I mean employees. And by employees, I mean Naveed se khana banwana band kar wo kood jayega. I know it's not weird that Tanmay lives with his employees because they have that one quality that anybody who lives with Tanmay needs to have. Stockholm Syndrome.
It's true.
Tanmay Bhatt is so lonely, he started a YouTube channel just so Zakir Khan would hang out with him. Now, most comics have always supported Tanmay Bhatt, but the max support he got was when he was depressed and wanted to die. Because we were all like, hey, I found this really strong rope. Now let's go to Samay Raina, which is what kids say when Tanmay and Nishant are not streaming. Samay is a chess YouTuber. Samay, you remind me of this legendary Russian player, Boris Pastik. Now, to be fair, I have seen Samay's chess videos. My favorite Samay strategy is when he moves his mouth 2 squares and blows a grandmaster. It's called the Samay Raina opening. Just look at him, dude. Fucking Samay. Ambition grandmaster, Auqat grandmasti. And now Dolly Singh is here. Dolly Singh. Dolly Singh looks like Lily Singh got COVID. Which is oddly fitting because you can appreciate Dolly's videos only after losing your sense of taste. Dolly Singh looks like अगर Instagram नहीं होता तो आज वो अपने गांव में अपने 9 साल की बच्ची का ब्याह करा रही होती.
Very true.
जब डॉली कोमल पांडे के घर जाती है तो कोमल अपनी अच्छी वाली स्पून छुपा देती है. And I know Dolly's fan base is watching this and they're getting pissed. They're like, fuck off, how can you say this about Dolly? And I'm like, fuck off, don't you have a social studies exam to fail tomorrow? just look at Dolly Singh, dude. Like, Dolly Singh looks like कभी भी कोई उसको सखी बुला के गर्भ निरोधक गोली पे एडवाइस देता. And now, please give it up for Anil Kapoor, the man of the moment. If the moment was in 1985. Anil Kapoor is such a tapori, उसका Petronas Kurla में ticket black करता है. Anil, your fame is like little Tina from Mr. India. Blew up in the 80s, never coming back. R.I.P. Tina, never coming back. Anil Kapoor looks like the kind of guy जो जबरदस्ती तेरे को अपना autograph देगा. People are like, अरे नहीं चाहिए, वो मेरा बच्चा है. उसके माथे पे love you from लखन लिखने का जरूरत नहीं है, क्या कर रहे हैं? Anil Kapoor is so clueless, उसको लगता है Wikipedia is written by Vicky Kaushal. So dumb. I'm not saying Anil Kapoor is desperate for attention, but Viral Behani has saved your number as Bug Bhushdi को phone करना पड़ता है. Anil Kapoor is so self-obsessed कि सोनम की शादी के कार्ड पे लिखा था Anil's son-in-law weds Anil's daughter. There's a scene in Slumdog where those kids jump into a pool of human feces, and that really gave me goosebumps. Because I was like, that's exactly what I felt like after watching Race 3. Anil is so insecure, वो already Race 16 में तैमूर का scene काटने का plan कर रहा है. Just want to say, Anil sir, we're all big fans, and I'm so happy you agreed to do this. You proved that big Bollywood stars can be humble and gracious if Netflix top management forces them. Thank you, that's enough from me. Back to Tanmay Bhatt.
Moving on to our next comedian. It is none other than Anurag Kashyap. Yes! You know, in a world full of nepotism, Anurag proves कि नवाज हो या रणबीर, तुम किसी के साथ फ्लॉप पिक्चर बना सकते हो, right? That's the way to give it back to nepotism. Make Ranbir Kapoor feel like a struggler. It's amazing. Well done, well done. Big thank you. Anurag began his career with RGV, and that's why he's been hugely inspired by his alcoholism. Anurag is such a बेवड़ा, his blood group is Piyush Mishra. Anurag इतना बेवड़ा है कि विक्रम मोटवानी उसको मेरा मर्द बुलाता है. But no, Anurag is very different, guys. He doesn't believe in outdated Bollywood concepts like the star system, item numbers, success. He's really carved his own footpath. After the failure of That Girl in Yellow Boots, Anurag became that guy selling mom's javer. I'm not saying Anurag studios के सामने जाके पैसों की भीख मांगता है, लेकिन यशराज के सामने वाले टपरी पे Anurag का उधार है. Anurag first fought with Karan Johar, then he made up with him. Because his kids were like, हमको लॉन्च कौन करेगा? तू करेगा? रिचा अभी तक स्ट्रगल कर रही है, bro. You guys know आदित्य चोपड़ा और अनुराग में क्या फर्क है? क्या? बहुत. Alright guys, that's enough from me. Please give it up for your next comedian, Sasta Tarantino himself, Anurag Kashyap.
Nice. Knock off Tarantino.
Thank you. अभी मैं तन्मय के बारे में क्या बोलूं? I know that jokes about Tanmay's weight are such low-hanging jackfruits, but Tanmay is like, भाई fruit क्या होते हैं? It's an honor to talk about the dashing, the incredible, and the evergreen Anil Kapoor. अभी evergreen तो उसी को बोलते हैं ना जो बुड्ढा हो गया. बाकी तो ग्रीन होते हैं ना. अभी आप लोगों को पता नहीं होगा, अभी अनिल ने जब पहली फिल्म की तब समय का बाप डायपर में था. And I don't mean समय रैना द कॉमिक, I mean समय, concept of time. अनिल कपूर is so old that Filmfare Award की ट्रॉफी वाली लेडी उनकी पहली गर्लफ्रेंड थी. और MGM का टाइगर उनका पेट रह चुका. और अनिल कपूर इतने ओल्ड है कि मुगल आजम में अनारकली को दीवार में अनिल कपूर ने ही चुना था. Other senior actors his age have goals like getting an Oscar, making an iconic film. Anil's goal is to play Taimur's classmate someday. अनिल कपूर को स्टूडेंट ऑफ द ईयर 3 में वरुण धवन के जूनियर का रोल प्ले करना. अभी अनिल कपूर जब हेयर और टॉर्टोइज का रेस होता है ना, तो अनिल कपूर हमेशा हेयर को सपोर्ट करता है. ऐसा रसो बात, इट्स टाइम टू एक्ट एज. वो क्या है कि 64 की उम्र में कूद रहे हो, बच्चों जैसी हरकतें कर रहे हो, आपको लगता है लोग आपको झकास बुला रहे हैं, लेकिन ध्यान से सुनो, जैकास 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 बोल रहे हैं सर. उम्र के साथ हेयरिंग कमजोर होती है. अनिल डिड हिज फर्स्ट टीवी शो कॉल्ड 24. उन्हें स्क्रिप्ट बिना पढ़े यहाँ कह दिया. उन्हें लगा कि फिल्म में हीरो की उम्र 24 साल है. अनिल की दूसरी सक्सेसफुल पिक्चर थी नायक, जिसके डायलॉग्स मैंने लिखे थे. स्लमडॉग मिलियनेयर के डायरेक्टर डैनी बॉयल ने भी कहा कि ही वाज इंस्पायर्ड बाय माय वर्क. अनिल ओज मी सो मच कि कभी-कभी मैं उनको गलती से नवाज बुला देता. अनिल सब जगह जाके नाचते रहते. उनको शादी के लिए बुलाओ वो नाचेंगे, फिल्म प्रमोशन के लिए बुलाओ वो नाचेंगे. वो इतना डांस करते हैं कि माधुरी दीक्षित भी शादी के बाद यूएस चली गई. शी कुडंट कीप अप विद इट. Anil will be the part of new ABCD film. It's not anybody can dance. Wally ne. Anil bhai can't dance.
That's true.
But thank you Anil sir. You are an inspiration to many, and you are living proof कि mediocre काम से भी career चल सकता है. बस सरनेम में कपूर होना जरूरी है. Thank you so much. Back to Mr. Tanmay Bhatt.
Give it up once again for Anurag Kashyap. Yes. Our final comedian of the evening is none other than Mr. Anil Kapoor. Yes! From supporting actor to lead actor to television superstar, a global Oscar-winning performance. Is there anything Anil Kapoor hasn't done badly? Did you guys know that Anil Kapoor met the royal family? Apparently, after meeting Camilla, he looked at Charles and said, "Hey, तेरी बीवी पार्कर पेन बनाती है क्या? क्या करती है?" Jackie Shroff. This is true, sir. I've heard this. Jackie Shroff has gone on record to say that he slapped Anil Kapoor 17 times for a scene in Parinda. सिर्फ 3 टेक के लिए थे, बाकी इंडस्ट्री की तरफ से था. अनिल इज सो छपरी, वो अपने ऑस्कर को चेरी ब्लॉसम से चमकाता है. So, without further ado, please give it up for our final comedian, चेंबूर का डेविड हैसेलहॉफ, अनिल कपूर.
Please give a big hand.
David Hasselhoff.
Give a big hand. क्या नाम है तेरा यार? बहुत अच्छा काम किया तूने. बहुत अच्छा किया. तेरे आवाज में पावर है, सब कुछ है. You'll come up. You'll come up. देखिए, मैंने पहले ही आते बोला था कि मैं अनुराग साहब की बुराई नहीं करूंगा, मगर क्या करें भाई, थोड़ा बहुत तो आप लोगों का मेरे पे घिस चुका है, तो थोड़ा बहुत तो करना ही पड़ेगी, थोड़ी बहुत करनी पड़ेगी. मगर फिर भी यार दिल नहीं कर रहा है. क्या करें यार, जनता क्या चाहते हैं आप लोग?
Go for it, sir.
Go for it. Bring it on. और अनुराग, अब मैं तेरी ही जुबान में तेरी ही केके लूंगा. तेरे एज में काफी मजाक उड़ाया गया. तूने कहा जब मैं स्टार्ट किया तब समय का बाप डायपर में था. भैया, by the time I am done with films, तू अडल्ट डायपर में होगा. तेरा समय समाप्त होने तक मैं फिल्म्स करूंगा. क्या बात है? तालियां. But I really respect अनुराग. He has a unique style. जैसे कि उसने जो उंगली फिल्म बनाई थी, उन्होंने
अगली
अरे एक ही यार, क्या नाम है अगली. जैसे अगली में उन्होंने एक्टर्स को स्क्रिप्ट नहीं दिखाई और बोला कि भैया तुम लोग इम्प्रोवाइज करो. He did the same thing in Bombay Velvet, but that was because वो स्क्रिप्ट लेकर गया एक्टर लोग के पास और एक्टर ने बोला भैया ये स्क्रिप्ट तो अपने घर पे रख, हम लोग इम्प्रोवाइज कर लेंगे. Bombay Velvet was a unique milestone for Kashyap. He finally joined the 100 crore club. But in losses. The movie did so badly at the box office that the producers declared it a Black Friday.
Nice.
After Bombay Velvet, Anurag Kashyap's producers became so poor that they could play the lead in Anurag's next film. Anurag has starred in movies like Bhootnath Returns, Happy New Year, Tera Kya Hoga Johnny and Akira, proving that it's not just the lack of star cast or low budgets. Anurag किसी भी फिल्म में काम करे, एक्टिंग करे, डायरेक्ट करे, वो फ्लॉप भी हो जाती है. Anurag Kashyap is a regular at the Mami Film Festival. मालूम है क्यों? क्योंकि it's an ego booster for him. और उसके घर के बाजू में ही होता है, रिक्शा लेके जाता है, ज्यादा भाड़ा नहीं देना पड़ता. Anurag came to Mumbai with 5,000 rupees in his pocket, which was also the budget of his first 5 hits. In the end, please give it up for our flop फिल्मों का बादशाह, बॉक्स ऑफिस का डिजास्टर देने वाला और हमारे आराम नगर का सस्ता टेरेंटोरो, अनुराग के लिए गालियां, मेरा मतलब तालियां.
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for joining us. If you enjoyed this, you're going to enjoy the heck out of AK vs. AK, which is streaming on Netflix right now. Go check it out.
That was fun.
Yeah. It's a bummer that they obviously it was during COVID, and obviously that was when the film came out. But it's a bummer they weren't able to actually have a live audience, or I'm sure a bigger panel of people that they probably wanted. And I thought there was some funny jokes in there. Not as funny as the other one.
No,
but I feel
and about 25-30% of them, at least maybe 40% of them, we didn't get.
Yeah.
But that happens.
A lot of them. It's not only like cultural jokes. I feel like sometimes they had, but it was also we didn't really. I know of what's her face, Dolly Singh. I know of her. I'm not from I don't watch her stuff.
Right.
I just know her name.
Right.
And so like they had jokes about these people, and I'm like, I don't know.
Yeah,
I don't know who you are.
There's always plays on Hindi words that we won't.
Yeah. Would you do a roast?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Yes, of course. I love roasts. I think they're hysterical. And I think it's great when you do a roast with people that you don't expect to be a part of the roast.
Mm-hmm.
It's like if you do a roast and Bill Burr shows up, what a shock. But if you do a roast and Zendaya shows up, you're not expecting that.
And it's difficult because comedy is very difficult.
Did I call her Zendaya? It's Zendaya,
Yeah,
isn't it?
it's Zendaya. But you're old. That's fine. Comedy is extremely difficult, especially in this format.
Oh, yeah.
Obviously, most people don't write their own stuff. Like the
No.
guests, they have people write them, and
They
they
have
go
comedy writers
over
write.
them, and so they could
And
like,
they
get,
have it's in the monitors.
get the timing right,
You
and
bet.
all that kind of stuff.
You
Obviously,
bet.
that's common. Like if you saw the Tom Brady roast, obviously it was many athletes who were given.
The best thing about roasts, the ones that they do here, it is constant. Oh my goodness, I can't believe they said that.
Yeah.
That's the best part about it.
I wonder if they did actually cut out the best jokes. That would be unfortunate.
That
But
would
it
be
wouldn't be
unfortunate.
shocking. Unfortunately, was this the last roast in India?
I don't know.
Because it was
It may have been.
after the Ranveer
It may have
one.
been.
But who would you like to see roast? Who would be like
In India?
Yeah, in India.
Oh my goodness.
I would love Big B to be roasted.
That's the first one that came to mind.
Big B and
a roast of
Big B
Amitabh
and
Bachchan.
Superstar.
Yes, a roast of Amitabh Bachchan. A roast of Shah Rukh Khan. A roast of Raj. But see, the thing is, I don't know how many
if they
Indians
would.
would feel comfortable
Yeah.
roasting those guys. I think they have too much.
I feel like Shah Rukh Khan would be down with it.
He would. Honestly, I think Amitabh Bachchan would be down with it. I just don't know how many people would feel comfortable doing it.
Yeah.
But yeah, Shah Rukh Khan would absolutely. His humor, when you see him in interviews, his humor goes a little edgy.
I think it'd be funny to have a Salman Khan, Shah Rukh Khan roast.
Fantastic.
Like call it the Karan and Arjun roast. I think that could. I don't know if Salman would. I don't know his personality that well. Or,
Yeah.
But I feel like Shah Rukh Khan would have done it.
Yeah.
Director, it just doesn't shock me that Anurag Kashyap did it.
No, not at all. This is so
Very self-aware
him.
of
Yeah.
of who he is as an artist and a person.
Yeah.
But I'm trying to think of who else. Ranbir, I think, would be funny. I don't know if he would do it. I don't know his personality well enough.
Right.
But roasting a Kapoor, I think, could be a lot of fun.
Yeah, it's the big names that would be fun to roast. Some of them wouldn't work. It really depends. It depends on who you're roasting and who's there doing the roasting.
Yeah.
But yeah.
I mean, Tommy Bhatt seems to be the guy that is bringing all of this to India.
Yeah.
Which is great, obviously. I know the last one, they got an FIR filed against them for the Ranveer one.
Yeah.
Which is why they probably don't do them, because people can just file a suit against you because of a joke they didn't like.
I know.
Absolutely ridiculous. But they did it after. They did another one. I wonder if they're ever going to plan on doing
I don't know.
a Shah Rukh Khan would be great, though.
He would.
One, I think he would present well, too. I think like when the roastie goes up there and jokes about everybody. I feel like the best roaster in this one was Tommy.
Yeah.
He was very, very. I thought everybody had some good jokes. Neil clearly memorized his script. Just
So there's just
honestly
happens.
the roasters are the roastees are usually the worst ones.
Yeah.
You're not there to hear them.
Did you see one of my favorite recently? I think it's in the past 7 years maybe, was the roast of Alec Baldwin.
Yeah.
And now this was before Rust.
Yeah.
But it was after the tapes came out of him screaming at his daughter, his divorce, his punching people in the press. It was great. And he was such a good sport. I mean, they were brutal to him, and he just took it in stride. If you haven't seen the Alec Baldwin roast, it's fantastic. But you also have to kind of know some of the story of Alec Baldwin. You need to know those things I was just referring to about him to really appreciate how good that roast is.
Next.
The best roaster in the history of the world who did it as a career, not just during a roast, was Don Rickles. We needed...
Oh, yeah, he was great.
The world couldn't handle Don Rickles today. And the thing that made Don Rickles so good is because everybody talked about Don being the sweetest, nicest man you could possibly become friends with. And his stand-up routine was just about rapid-fire insulting anybody and everybody. And I mean, his insults were completely unacceptable. If he, I mean, it was so bad. If someone was in a wheelchair and he was standing there, he'd say, "Hey, you want to come up and talk about that?" Oh, sorry about that.
Yeah.
You know, he made fun of anything and everyone.
Yeah, he was very funny.
So funny.
The Tom Brady roast had a lot of really funny people.
He
on
got
it.
he took a couple of those things personally.
Yeah.
Brady.
Yes, he did.
He couldn't handle that roast.
I don't know why you'd go on.
Why go to a roast if you can't handle that?
Of course, they're going to go after your divorce and your wanting
Deflated
to go back,
balls,
and the fact that you went back to sports even though you should have been spending time with your kids.
Yeah.
Of course they're going to do that.
Yeah.
If you didn't know that, you're stupid.
Yeah.
Of course they were going to make fun of you for that. Yes,
They're gonna. Everything's fair game.
Yeah, which is
Everything's fair game.
it'd be interesting. Big B would be fun. I mean, you could unite India and have Big B, Mohanlal, and or Mahmoodi and Rajnikant.
I don't know how many people there'd be an audience for because there are so many people.
Yeah, it's usually younger audiences.
They would be hurt that you're insulting their star.
Yeah, it's probably more the younger, which is why I think it was Ranveer and what is it? Arjun Kapoor, and then here it was for AK versus AK, so it's a certain audience that it's an Anurag Kashyap audience,
Right.
So
it's like if you were doing a roast. I mean, you couldn't do it, but give you an example. I'm thinking of somebody. Would I get?
Oh my God!
Would I get offended if? Would I get offended if let's say Michael Jackson was still around, and they roasted Michael? The accusations of stuff with kids has to be on the forefront of everybody's mouth to make fun of him of.
Yeah.
But if Michael's laughing about it with you, I mean, you just can't take it personally.
Yeah.
You can't.
I would love to be part of a roast one day.
Yeah.
Not only for
to be roasted,
to
and
be
to give
roasting
it. Yeah.
and to give it. I would love to do both. I think it'd be a lot of fun.
Because it all drives. The driver of a roast is the only reason it happens is because you actually have legitimate affection for that person.
Yeah.
That's the only reason a roast ever happens and works is because it's so funny that you're hating on somebody that you actually deeply care about. That's what makes roasts good.
I think people need to be able to
Lighten
laugh
up.
at them, laugh at themselves
Lighten
more.
up.
Yeah, and I don't think I've ever been insulted by a joke ever. I don't even know if I could be.
Like there was, Indrani and I saw a reel last night of a guy who he said, me DJing in the terminal children's ward. And it's a guy with a fake background and he's playing a song. And it was a song. This wasn't the song, but it was a song like Billy Joel's Only the Good Die Young.
Oh, good.
And in the comments were going phenomenal with it. Like the next comment said, "You forgot to put the strobe lights in the epileptic unit." Another one said, "How's everybody at St. Jude's?" So bad. But that's what makes it.
Yeah.
I mean, come on. You gotta laugh at these things sometimes.
I
It
feel-
doesn't mean that you're making fun of those things.
Also,
you just
I feel
laugh
like
at
it
them.
normally just happens with men a lot of times in terms of getting roasted. Not obviously there's normally females on the comic stands, but how many is it because people? Is it
I don't
because
know.
people are even here? I can't remember a lot of female roasts.
Well, when I was growing up, Lucille Ball got roasted, Carol Burnett got roasted.
Yeah, those were unique ladies. Though.
Yeah.
I feel like it's because they're okay going after guys. But the people are more sensitive.
Today.
People are more. Yeah, I don't remember outside of the two you just said. I don't remember that happening a lot in history.
Yeah,
obviously it's a guy thing to just roast your friends. That's just what you do. So maybe that's.
And I've seen many women roasting guys,
but
as far as being the recipient of it, yeah, But I think I just saw one recently.
Because let's say Sri Devi was alive, you can't roast Sri Devi. I would love it if they did, but you can't do that.
Or like Taboo.
I would love it.
I would love it.
I think she might.
I think she might do.
But people are so
Kareena Kapoor.
They think of those people as their mom
Kajol.
or sister or.
I'd love somebody to roast my mom,
dude. An SRK Kajol roast.
Oh,
that would be amazing,
phenomenal.
And she has a great sense of humor. She would totally do it.
I think she would totally
have Twinkle roast him.
I think they would. I think she'd totally do it. Akshay would do it. Akshay'd be a great roast.
Yeah, he would be a Canadian Kumar.
Oh man, would Akshay be a great roast?
that'd be
You can
good.
make fun of his box office flops, Canadian citizenship, doing things for money.
Yeah.
Oh, Akshay would be a wonderful
An
roast.
Akshay and Twinkle roast would be fun.
Yeah.
SRK Kajol roast.
SRK Kajol would be through the
legendary.
roof. Yeah,
That'd
that'd
be
be through
legendary.
the roof.
I don't know. Maybe they'll
Roasts are fun.
do it one day.
Yeah.
But yeah, that was fun. I enjoyed that. I was smiling most of the time, so that's good.
Yeah.
At least we got, I'd say,
The big groaner one for me that was like, oh my goodness, was you're the worst. I'm from I'm Kashmiri, and you're the worst AK I've ever seen.
Oh, God.
That was amazing.
oh God,
It's like, damn.
oh, that's a good one.
That's a good one.
Anyways, let us know if there are other roasts. Please let us know what they are. Who your dream roast would be? That'd be fantastic.
We should do. Let them roast us, and just they could send in videos, or they could just send in whatever they want.
That'd be cool.
You
I
guys,
can't
you
put
guys
that
roast
together.
us. I know. One of you would have to. You guys would have to put that
I'm
together.
usually the producer of stuff
Yeah.
on this, but I like games. I can't put together the games.
Yeah.
I can't put together.
guys would have to do that.
I would love it.
Yeah.
I think it would be absolutely hilarious if Stupid Babies like sent in jokes.
I occasionally get them. There's a couple of stupid babies who send me stuff that's making fun of me, and they say, "Sorry, sir, just kidding."
Yeah.
I love it.
But it'd be
Don't say I look like George Bush. That's old.
Everybody thinks it though.
I know.
Even A.R. Rahman.
Even A.R. Rahman. It's so funny. But he agreed. He's like, in person, I don't see it at all, but on video, it's there.
You look like George
It's like,
Bush.
what?
Wild.
What?
Anyways, let us know what other roast we can react to and anything else we need to know down below.
Juice!